So friends, if you have Yes Bank credit card and if you don't know how to activate that card, then this video is for you. Now it doesn't matter if you have your bank account in Yes Bank or not, you can still activate the card by using Iris application. Now we are going to start the video, but before that, if you're new to the channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Let's start. Now the first thing you have to do is just simply download Iris application in your mobile phone. Now it doesn't matter if you're using an iPhone or an Android phone, the process is going to be same. Once you download that app, open it. Once you open the application, select residential status. I'm going to select Indian resident for now, and then select proceed option. Also, make sure that you have turned on mobile data instead of Wi-Fi. Now let's select proceed option. Now to verify, it will ask us to send the SMS. So all you have to do is just simply send the SMS. Now you can see it is verifying the mobile number, so you have to wait. Now once the mobile number is verified, all you have to do is just simply select proceed option. Now it will ask you that do you have any existing relationship with Yes Bank. All you have to do is you just have to select yes option, and on the next page it will ask you to choose an option. You can choose debit card, credit card, yes online, loan account, or any other thing. Now if you have credit card of Yes Bank, then you can select credit card option and then select proceed. Now on this particular page, you have to enter your card details. You have to enter the card number, you have to select your date of birth, and you also have to enter the validity. Now once you enter each and everything, select proceed option. Now I have entered all the card details. Let's select proceed option. Now on the next page, it will ask you to enter new MPIN. So set up your MPIN and select set MPIN option and go ahead. You can also check out some of the details given over here, that how should be your MPIN. Digit should not be in series like 1 2 3 4 5 6 or 6 5 4 3 2 1. It should not be easy. MPIN and re-entered MPIN should match each other, and last 3 MPIN cannot be used. So you can check out this note or important note, and then you can set your new MPIN as per your requirement. So now you can see I have created a new MPIN and all the criteria given below are checked. So yeah, just select set MPIN and go ahead. Now you can see device registered successfully. All you have to do is just select OK, enter your 6-digit MPIN and complete the login process. You can accept the terms and conditions over here. Check this box, select proceed option. Now it is asking me that do you want to log in using your fingerprint or face ID. If you want that, you can select proceed, but you can set it up later. So for now I'm going to select skip option, and now again it has shown me message that device is registered successfully. Just simply select OK option, and here you can find your card details. If you want to check out the limit, you can tap on this show option. Now we need to activate the credit card, and for that you can simply go to manage card option over here. Once you select manage card, you get an option of generate PIN over here. So select generate PIN option, enter your new PIN for the card, and again re-enter the new PIN and select proceed option. If I go down, again, it is giving me a note that please note that the new PIN generated by you will be override by the physical PIN or any previous PIN set by you for your credit card. If you have already set a PIN, then no need to generate a new PIN. But if you are setting up or if you're activating the card for the first time, you need to set a PIN. So just enter the new PIN and select proceed option and complete the process. So this is how you can activate your Yes Bank credit card in Iris application. So that's pretty much it for today's video, guys. If you want to know more about Iris application, then you can let me know in comment section below. And if you find this video informative, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I will see you all in the next one. Thank you.